Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate how to make different beautiful and cute crafts with paper. So at first we have made a Pikachu. You can see this is ready now. Next we will make a face of a bunny on a paper and we will cut it. You can see how we have cutted it, and we are using a glass to make the body of the bunny. Yes, we have made the body. Next we will make the hands and the legs. You can see we have made the spring shape and we have added the paw to it, and the body is ready now and you can use it as a lamp. Now we will use a black paper and we will draw an oval shape to it and we will make a penguin from it. You can see we have made the eyes by cutting some circular shape paper, and next we have made the mouth and the leg. Now we have made the stand. Next we will make an ice cream. We have made the cone with the paper, and the ice cream we will make with the clay. You can see we are using different color clay to make the ice cream. Next we will add some cherries to it, and next the leaves. This is ready now. You can see how beautiful it is looking and tasty. Next again we will use a circular shape paper to make a teddy bear. It was so easy to make. Next we will cut a skull face paper and we will paste it on the base, and we will use some earbuds to make the body of the skeleton. Next we will use a paper and we will paste it on another paper as shown in the video to make the face of the boy. You can see how we have made the face, and next we will make the clothes with the clay, and this is ready now. Next we will cut some small size papers and we will roll it and we will paste it to the base. You can see how we are pasting it, and the strawberry is almost ready with the eyes and the leaves on the strawberry. Next again we are using a circular shape paper and we are cutting it from between to make a crab. Next we will make the eyes with another paper, and after making the eyes we will roll the body as shown in the video. We will also add the teeth and we will paste the eyes to the roll. You can see we are adding the straw, and now the game is ready. Now we will make some bats. You can see how we have cut different shape papers and we will paste it to the cloth clip. Next we will make the face of the bat and we will paste the wings, and after pasting the wings we will make the tail. You can see this is ready now. You can play with it. Next again we will cut a circular shape paper and we will make a leaf onto it. You can see how we are adding the texture and the shades. Next we will cut a frog shape on another paper and we will add eyes to it. And after adding the eyes we will add the texture to the frog to make it look more real. And next we will use a straw and we will roll a spring shape and we will paste it with the frog to make the tongue. Next we will make a spring to make the frog jump. You can see how we are pasting the base and the frog, and this is ready. Thank you very much for watching the video.